Ego Ibo, please, I'm so sorry. It's not what you think. He was only asking me a question. Please.
Chiponuge, will you shut your mouth? So, I am not sure of what I saw. Am I a child? Oh, is it because I allow you to sit close to me? Now you have the guts to talk to me. Look at this slave. My mother must hear this.
Huh?
This is the end of you in this house. My mother must hear this.
Huh? Ego, please, don't tell your mother. I promise it won't happen again. Please, I'm sorry.
Don't you dare touch me! Oh, because I allow you to sit with me? My mother must hear this. Mother!
Ego, please.
Mother! Mother! Ego, what is it? Mother. Mother, just look at this good-for-nothing slave. She had the guts to stand with my prince. No, shut up, let me hear my daughter. What? Prince Ikem, my own prince. Mama, it's not true. She was only asking you a question. I'll kill you today. Leave Prince Ikem alone.
Sinobi kalili fenine efonanya silike efonanya.
Greetings, my friends.
But what are you doing here?
I am sorry, my prince. But you see, with the connection of our hearts, I feel your presence at all time. And with that, I can easily locate wherever you are, my prince. My prince.
You are a beautiful maiden.
I know.
But our hearts are not connected in any way. I don't feel anything for you. My heart belongs to someone else.
Who could that be? Who?
It's none of your business to know who. Now, if you don't mind, would you excuse me?
My heart beats for you and you alone. Just look at me.
I'm sorry. My heart doesn't beat for you. And since you don't want to leave, I'll leave you here.
My prince, please don't do this to me. My prince!
Omebere. Wait. Where are you going? Wait, Omebere. Omebere. Wait for me.
You know you are the apple of my eye. No matter.
I don't feel anything for you. My heart belongs to someone else.
When did you come back?
Oh, Guinea. The priest told me to my face that his heart does not beat for me. He said his heart beats for someone else.
You mean he said that to you?
I asked him who the person is, but he never mentioned. He said I do not need to know. And he walked out on me.
We Who do you think his heart beats for?
I have no idea. No.
Then we need to find out.
He worked hard on me.
It's okay.
This is just too much. I don't care who his heart beats for. But the prince is mine. I can't lose him.
Greetings, my king.
Greetings, my child. Who are you?
I'm Ebere, late Ishewu's daughter.
Ishewu. Your parents have no name in this village. Who is your guardian?
Nazi Akancha.
Oh, Akancha. You work for him as a slave girl?
Oh, sorry to interrupt you, Your Highness.
Ikem.
Your Highness.
Where are you coming from and what is chasing you?
I was trying to catch up with my friend here.
Your friend?
My king.
Is she your friend?
My king. I only know him as the prince of this land. I have nothing with him. I'm not his friend.
Oh. Don't mind my son, the prince. He's a social type and likes to mingle with everybody, even those without class. That's okay. You can get up and run along.
Thank you, my king.
Quickly. Well, son.
Your Highness.
Be careful. And see you in the palace.
Right, Your Highness. That was a golden opportunity for me to introduce you to my father. And you just messed it up.
With whose permission? Do you want them to bully and ridicule me for ever seeing me with the prince? Listen, we don't belong to the same class. I don't want trouble, please.
Look at you. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's why I can't get you off my mind. I don't want anyone coming close to you. I don't want anybody taking you away from me.
But you're the prince of Umebe. You can't be seen with a commoner like me. You should associate yourself with people of big class. Not a nobody like me.
I am different. Do you see me moving around with bodyguards? I don't do it. I'm a simple man.
Okay, but please, can you still keep our friendship a secret? Please.
If you say so.
Thank you.
You belong to me.
Your Highness. You called me? Yes, sit. The young maiden I saw you with yesterday. What is your relationship with her?
No relationship. She's just an ordinary maiden. Why did you ask?
Well, just making sure you're on the safe side. The prince should not be mingling with slaves.
I hope it's not what I have on my mind.
And what are you thinking in your mind?
Trying to convert her into one of your unfortunate concubines.
best of my knowledge, I know my son hates our tradition. So why are you suddenly interested in paying attention to who I choose as a concubine and who I do not choose?
Even at that, I speak for my poor mother. I mean, why don't you show her love as your queen? Why don't you love her?
Listen, son. Your mother, the queen, has everything she wants as a queen. She's not complaining.
No! She is! See, because you're not paying her attention, you don't know. She cries. She cries every time she sees you with a new concubine. She cries red. I see her cry. Yet she can't say anything because it's tradition. Tradition says she should shut up and listen to the king. What a wicked tradition.
Well, son, of what use are you? She has you to be by her side. Or?
No, she has you to be her man. I can't play your role, father.
Enough. Enough, son. I don't want to talk about this again. I want to be alone. Now.
I pray that nothing separates you.
I can't even imagine that happening. What is your stubbornness? I just want away from you.
I will use it to keep you close to me.
Really?
You're going nowhere. I will protect you with it.
Good. This union is sealed where it is sealed.
Mama, stop flattering us. I know challenges will come very soon. I'm really very scared of these times.
Me too.
The prophecy will be fulfilled.
Which prophecy?
Dikeh, I greet you all. Welcome to the palace again.
Thank you.
The female toad always says that the reason she carries her husband at the back is because husband is sweet. And you know that the goat that dies in the barn did not die out of hunger. Because there's plenty of food in the barn. So something else must have killed them. The reason I called you together is to let you know that I have found a new flower. Yes, and I must water it so that it will blossom as tradition demands.
Anyway, this is good news. Another celebration. A new dawn for our maidens.
You will live long for using this medium to bridge the gap between the poor and the rich in this village. You will live long. People say when sleeping becomes enjoyable, we snore. I'm only behind you. Thank you. My prayer is that you will also live long and then blossom.
My prince, what is it?
I don't know what the future holds for us.
have the feeling that things will go wrong.
It will not be easy. Omereberechi, I want to promise you that I will always stand by you, no matter what.
And I promise I won't run away from you again. You have proven to be my shell in shining armor. I love you.
Really? You love me? Gods of our land. She loves me. Oh my God, I love you too.
Long live the king. How are you doing, my son?
I'm fine, your highness.
Doesn't show on your face.
Well. The goat owner cannot be sleeping while the goat delivers with a rope tied round its neck.
That's an old proverb. What do you want, son?
When a man refuses to speak out, you blame it on the mouth. But when a man refuses to listen, you blame it on the ears.
Cut out these parables, son, and just go straight to the point.
Your Highness, I came to plead with you to please not choose Omerebere as your next concubine.
I'm sorry, it's too late, son.
No.
I can't reverse it. Why are you even interested? Omerebere is a slave. I mean, and even if you are interested in her, she's not your match. She has to be cleansed first.
Then let me cleanse her, your Highness. Let me be the one to cleanse her.
You're not in a position to do so. Moreover, you already denied her and she denied you too. The only people who can do the cleansing are the Igbes, the Igwe and the Ezemo. You're not ordained to do that.
Then abolish the act. You are the king. You can abolish it. You can let it go. Nobody's going to touch my woman. No.
She is not your woman. And it's too late, son. We can't reverse it. There is nothing anyone can do about it. Because you already denied her and she denied you. So listen and listen carefully. She is not your woman. Leave my presence.
Papa. Papa!
What effrontery! You should wait to become the king before you have such powers.
Father, you can do it for me. You are the king. I believe you.
You have work to do at the back.
Lost. Mother, please, you must help me now.
I can't do anything, and besides, your father will not listen.
But I can't let her go. I can never let my father have her. Never.
Son, the only thing I can tell you is to stand firm. Fight for your love. I couldn't fight for mine, and that is one thing I will regret for the rest of my life. I trust you, son. I know that you will change everything when you become king. Fight. Don't give up, okay?
Thank you, Mama.
It's okay.
I'll be strong for us.
Please.
I give you. I take back my commitment.
Look at her. She's making yanga because she's the chosen one for the Ichuri. Even the Igwe chooses her and changes her status, it will change the fact that she's that poor Omereberechi with no background. Of course.
What did you just say? Who trusts me?
Oh, is she rejecting the offer? Stop pretending.
As if you don't know you are the one chosen for the next intrigue. No. No. No.
No! No! No!
Wait. Maybe she's not aware yet. But they're only trying to give her a better future. So she should be grateful. Does she have a choice? Please, let's go. Father! What? Is it true?
What? My daughter, just calm down. This should be a thing of joy. Because finally, nobody in this entire community will call you slave or mock you anymore. Just calm down.
So it's true.
My daughter, calm down.
So it's true.
This should be a thing of joy.
No,
calm down. Calm down. You just have to make up your mind and stop crying. Very soon, myself, your mother and your sisters will be visiting you. Just make up your mind. You'll be going to the shrine for cleansing and ritual rites.
Papa, no! Papa, no! No! No!
Where are you coming from? Why are you so excited?
My sister, I am so happy. I came with good news.
Tell me.
Who says I will not possess my possession?
Ego.
Who said that?
Tell me what happened.
About my sister. Omerebe has been chosen for the next intrigue. Who told you that? Look at this one. This is everywhere. Chai! Chibo is everywhere. Let me tell you. My sister, the prince is mine now. There will be nobody to contend with me.
Yes, so nobody.
No, Omerendo. I'm so happy. Just look at me.
Show me.
Prince, you can. My sister, I am so happy. Hey, Omerendo. Finally.
I told you. And it has happened.
Look at it.
Give it to them.
My sister. You see, Diego Mabori. So you're here crying while we have empty pots, right? You see why I don't like this girl. So you have been sitting here crying when you have an opportunity to be free. This girl is too foolish for my liking. What kind of a stupid girl is this one? I am so happy because she won't be able to go close to the prince anymore. But I will have the prince all to myself.
Bia. Have you warmed the soup?
Hey! So, you managed to sweep the compound. And you couldn't clear these things. Clear these things. Really? Oh, so you are waiting for your late mother or father to clear these things, right? Stupid girl.
Will you get up and clear this thing? And she's still crying.
Before I open my eyes and close it, you have packed these things and disappear with your useless body out of this place.
Remove your slave self from this area. Okanya!
Look at her. Nyala. Okay, let's see.
Chikezie! What is it? Why are you shouting my name like a madman? Like a madman? Yes, I'm mad. Because I am the only madman that can scream alone like that. So what do you want? I told you call yourself a prince. A prince that cannot do anything. So you have power but you cannot act. Eh? You call yourself a prince. Because you cannot save the one you love. The only woman you claim you love, you cannot save her. And she being thrown around like a mere object. Eh? So I thought you said you stand for integrity.
Chikeze, I don't believe in violence, okay?
No problem. I believe in violence. I believe, yes, I do. If you cannot do it, I will do it. I will do it. I will prove to you or anybody that I can do it. I will save her. I will take the boom by the horn.
You may leave now, Chike. Chikeze, you can leave.
Watch your tongue. Dog likes water, but not when the water is hot. You can leave. The princess should leave.
Leave now, Chikeze.
No problem. I will do it. I will do it. You see, I will prove to her that I deserve her more, not you.
You're my friend.
My prince. You call my prince.
Leave now.
Calm down. Don't worry. You must say it.
Let's go.
No stress.
Let's go. Let him be.
Father, you have to scatter the whole arrangement. You have to, because I will not allow it to happen.
What are you talking about? Why is it that whenever you want to talk to your father, you always want to show your muscles? Can't you talk like a sensible human being? Eh? What is it this time?
Father, it's about the Igbo's arrangement of picking Ogbonebere for the next Ichie. Father, there are so many maidens he can pick from. Why Ogbonebere?
How is that your problem?
Father, because I want to make her my woman.
It's not possible. Except you want Ogbonebere to transfer her stigma to you.
But I don't care.
You don't care?
But I don't care.
You see, that's why I said you're not sensible. It's only a fool that treads where the gods fear to death. Look at it. You said you're not interested. You don't care. This is the opening we've been looking for. And all I want to tell you is that I don't want to go to war with Igwe. I don't want to have a problem with him.
Father, let me ask you something. Father, why are you always afraid of Igwe? Father, he is a human being. When you shut up! Shut up! Father, he's a human being.
Shut up and stop spilling rubbish. Me, afraid of the Igwe, my own brother. But son, I want you to understand this. This is an advantage to us. This is the opening we've been looking for.
How?
Now, this fight is not your fight. Now, listen. I learned that the prince is also interested in this maiden. So what I want you to do is to encourage the prince to go to war with his father. By so doing, his father will banish him. Then you will be next in line. Don't you see it this way? That is what I want you to understand. So go ahead and encourage him.
Please. You have to do something. Please help me.
It's okay. Nobody will take you away from me. We're together in this. Okay? I will fight for you. Come here.
Mazi Akancha, I'm sure you are aware of the new development. But I decided to call you here so that I can tell you officially. You know that Ndebina say, when a man and a woman agree, or something. Then they can both sleep on the mat peacefully. You know, there are many leaves in the bush. But people usually go to pick the okazi leaf because of its special nature, isn't it? There is always a reason why your slave is picked. To give a new dawn to the family and then better the life of the ones that the miserable parents left behind. Ugodia, come. These are cowries. I want you to go to the market and buy materials, very good materials, befitting ones for Meribere. And this is money to buy things that you use to prepare her. Prepare her where, you know, the Igwe likes good taste. Igwe has a good taste. So prepare her so that you present her before me in a fortnight. You live like Igwe. May you live long, Igwe. Thank you very much. Please prepare her well. Thank you very much.
Your Highness, no further. You have to stop this.
Right now! You must stop! And who are you to order me to stop what I am doing?
I speak for my people. This has to stop.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You now have a people? You have grown wings, son, to order me around to stop? But very soon, I will cut those wings off. Very soon. Stop me again.
You have to stop it.
Guards!
Your Highness,
take him away.
This is the least you can do. Come with us. They throw me away, but I will come back for you. I must stop this act. It must be abolished. I promise you, I will stop it.
Omenibere will be needed in 2 days' time in the shrine for the first phase of the cleansing.
Ezema, thank you very much, Ezema. We will do exactly as you said.
Abama, my sister. Hey, what is it? Don't worry. I'll tell you.
Do you know that Ezemo was here in our absence? He said that Emirebe will need to be at the shrine for the first step of cleansing. Really? Yes, so. This is just a clear confirmation that she has been chosen to be the next issue. Finally, I am so happy. I am so happy. But mother said she protested with Ezemo. Protested? That she cannot be Igwe's concubine. Who is she? This is just the beginning. That daughter of Mom. Don't worry, we'll see the end. Who is she? That slave. But let me tell you, I am so happy. I know where you are going. I'm so happy. I know you. Because now, I will renew my steps.
That is why you are my sister.
Make his heart beat for me alone.
Go lay down. Let me quickly feel this orange for you. Please hurry up. Something sweet. Hurry up. You need something sweet, my sister.
My son, the truth does not run in the daytime.
Noko, a young man that is presumed foolish simply because he still stays in his father's house may not be stupid or foolish after all.
Guys, Yokomo. True talk, my son.
I need your help. I need you to guide me. I need advice now. My father wants to take my woman, and I can't bear it. That will never happen.
History is about to repeat itself again. But this time, victory shall be ours. Victory shall be ours.
But what do I do?
In 7 days' time, my son,
Come with Omerebere. I have something to give to both of you.
Is that all?
Yes, my son.
Nuku. Thank you.
You may go now.
Okay.
You see, you see? I told you. But you wouldn't listen. See, where is the prince? Where is the prince to save you? He cannot save you. I told you, he is not man enough. I told you, Ikem is not man enough. Accept me, your life will change. You refuse. You see your life now? Can you imagine? Hi. It could have been better if you gave me the chance. Can you imagine? Emotionally depressed. But no problem, no problem. There's still a chance. There's still space in my heart. You can call me if you want to. I will accept you. I'm a good man. I'll forgive you immediately. I can still forgive you. But if you're walking out of me, no problem. Think about it. Think about it. I said think about it. You are free to come here anytime you want. Huh? I will give you a better life. I told you. Leave place. Ikem is not a man. Think about it. Okay?
Who goes there?
It's me, Edo.
Ego Ibo. What brings you here?
I have been watching you for some time now and seeing how depressed you are. Beam, let me drown in your sorrow. Let me erase your anxiety and bring joy to you.
Stop it! Stop it! Your body does not move me. Stop it! Leave now!
Prince.
You must leave now. Leave!
I want to.
Maza Kancha, please. I don't want my father to have her as his Ichiri concubine. I want you to please advise him against it.
Why? Any reasons?
Because my heart is given to Omereberechi.
My son, as it is, my hands are tied in this situation. I must say, you know who your father is. No one goes against his wish. Nobody, not even you, can utter it. As it is, he has already made this decision, and that decision seems final to me.
No, Maza Kancha, I am desperate now. I need you to help me.
Well, the only help I can render is to suggest my daughters to you. You can say they are very beautiful, good looking. You can choose any of them.
Mazi, I know your daughters are pretty. They are beautiful damsels. But my heart is already given to Omeneberechi. What do I do?
Well, sorry to say, my son, I cannot render the help you are looking for. Sorry.
Mazi,
I cannot render that very help you are looking for, and I will not.
Except I marry your daughter.
Yes.
Ah, what a culture. What a tradition. We'll slug it out.
This one you're seated here alone. What is the problem? Why are you looking so sad?
I'm not happy.
Tell me, what happened?
It is obvious I'm about to lose the prince.
Why would you say that?
He doesn't like me. He doesn't even look at me. He is willing to die for Meribere.
Ego, stop worrying yourself over nothing. Meribere is already the chosen one, and there is nothing Prince Ikem can do to reverse it.
Ikem is not giving up on her.
He has no choice as far as the Igwe is concerned. Ego, you should be happy. The only stumbling block you have to Prince Ikem is Meribere, and she's already out of the way. Smile. You have nothing to worry about.
I am scared.
You have nothing to be afraid of. You have nothing to worry about. Relax. Stop being sad. Now my fine sister. Oh, Malija.
Meribere! Meribere!
Chai! Meribere! Escape! Haru! We shall see. Igwe!
Young woman, what is it?
May you live long. Igwe, Meribere, the chosen one, for the next Ichiri, has just escaped.
What? How? Where did she go?
I don't know where she went to, but she has not gone far.
Guards! Go and search for her. Check everywhere in this community. Make sure you bring her back to this palace.
Yes,
go now.
Okay,
Come in. Okay. Where is it here? How come? Make sure you bring her back to this palace.
Dikeh. Don't let her get away. Don't let her get away. Push her everywhere. Human being. Can this slave girl? Move! 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 Don't let her get away. Move!
Come.
Move! Stupid girl.
Please, have mercy, Igwe. Blame it on me. It happens as a result of my carelessness.
Allowed me send her to the evil forest, where wild animals would have devoured her. You know how to run? You would have been devoured. How dare you run away from Igwe Opota of Umuibe? Where is it done?
Please, Igwe, temper justice with mercy. I swear, I assure you, it will not happen again.
Father, please. For my sake, please. Forgive her. I plead.
You shouldn't be involved in this.
I'm begging, Daddy. I'm begging, Father. Please, Father. I'm begging. Please, Your Highness.
Well, she's forgiven.
Oh.
But the next time she tries that, she will not be let off the hook.
Thank you, Papa.
My prince.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I trust
My prince.
Yes.
Where are you taking me to?
You may leave us now. My prince, go back to the palace. I hope you'll be fine. You'll be very fine. Just do as I said. Yes, ma'am. Go. Don't you trust me anymore?
I do. But where are you taking me to?
Anyway, Neoku said I should come with you.
Okay.
Let's go.
What? Neoku.
Mama, are you serious?
Yes. That is the only way out. Consummate your love. Do as I say. Take the bull by the horn.
Neoku has said it.
No, John.
You can't escape it.
Where are you coming from?
I followed them.
She followed who?
Ikem and Umiribiri.
See, Prince Ikem came to our house earlier and he decided to take Umiribiri with him. So I followed them to find out where he was taking her to.
So, did you find out the place?
I did. He took her to Ineoku's place. Though, I don't know why he took her there.
Omerebere! You're seriously looking for my trouble. I will so deal with you daughter of no man. You slave! But you should have stayed back and know what took them there. You should have come back here.
That is not necessary. Don't be bothered. At least I know where they are now. In case anything comes up, Calm down. You are always worried. Don't worry. Come. Let's go back home. I will deal with that.
Don't worry.
Just be happy I fished them out. She will come back to the house. Anything. She will come back and
you know you are the apple of my eye. No matter where you go, my heart will follow you. My life is worthless without your love. Oh, I will swim the deepest river, climb the highest mountain. There is nothing I won't do for you. I will swim the deepest river, climb the highest mountain. There is nothing I won't do for you.
By a little soul, really a glimpse of the sunrise. So this minute can give a life to that which is time.
Igwe. Keje mareze. Keje mareze mo, keje mareze. Keje mareze. Keje mareze mo, keje mareze.
I summoned you all here from far and near.
Because of the dream I already explained to you. Interpret this dream and you will be rewarded bountifully. Failure to interpret this dream will mean that you are useless to this community and hence we rule.
Igwe. No, you need speak to me. Igwe, I'm sorry. I cannot interpret the dream.
What? Take him away, God.
Igwe, take him.
Next.
Igwe! Oh, tuna dile nyagama. Duma dawo ti cholo na wajegama. Oh, dina ke ti cholo wajema. Oh, chikli. Oh, chikli. Igwe! Oh, tuna dile nyama. Oh, dinner gichono wajema.
Take out!
Difficult. I cannot interpret.
Take out!
I try.
You are the youngest of all, and I believe you should have some sense in you. Interpret this dream. To what do I owe this visit to you?
Only a little soul shall save a soul tied to another. Says the new prophecy. A soul is tied to another by a little soul. Only a glimpse of sunrise can give life to that soul tied to another.
Yes. Yes, wise one. I have searched far and wide for someone to interpret this to me. But no one has been able to prove his or her metal. Help me, wise one. I am in a serious dilemma. I am confused and downcast.
None shall know the future. It is sealed till the day it unfolds.
Sealed? Unfold? I don't understand, wise one.
Igopota! It is not meant for you to understand till the day it unfolds.
I am lost, wise one. Help me. What do I do now?
The only thing you owe the gods is to have a pure heart. Do not oppress the poor and be good to everyone.
Just that? Then it is done! It is done!
Igwapota! The ways of men are different from the ways of the gods. Be warned! Be warned, Igwapota! Be warned, Igwapota! Igwapota! Be warned!
Ifunanya silobi kalili fenine ifunanya silike ifunanya
Mama.
Welcome.
Thank you, my son. You're welcome. How are you?
Did he treat you well? And did you enjoy it? Hey! Odogu nwoke! Nwoke Jejemba. The gods will always be with you.
It's
You have proven to be a man.
Thank you, Nyoku. Thank you for the opportunity. I feel less burdened now. At least I know she belongs to me. All mine now.
Good. You are welcome, my son.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Nyoku, we must be on our way now.
Okay.
I promise Mazi Akancha that I will not keep her late. So I would like to keep to my promise.
Good. Ijoma.
Thank you, Nyoku.
Ijoma
Thank
Wambo.
you.
Thank you. Ijoma.
Thank you.
Mamo. May the gods continue to guide you.
Bring her. Ugodia! Ugodia!
Now we are coming.
Is there any other way we can?
Let's go. Come on! Catch her!
Catch her!
Tell them to take it easy with her.
Drag her, let's go.
Okay. Please, that drag I did not agree. I don't accept that.
Oboracha nkosi acha, oboracha dike n'anya. Oboracha dike n'anya. Oboracha nkosi acha, oboracha dike n'anya.
Take it easy with her. Let them stop dragging her.
Father, please don't do this to me. Please let me have her, Father. Please, I beg of you.
It's too late, son. I cannot reverse it.
But you are the king, Father. You can change it if you wish.
Igwe putana debu nwa madegbo. 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 Igwe putana debu nwa madegbo.
You can decree it now.
Maybe now the people are already there. Igwe putana debu nwa madegbo. Igwe putana debu nwa madegbo. This ekele munu. Yeah. Ekele munu. Yeah. Ekele munu. Yeah. Ekele munu. Yeah.
Igwe, it is done.
Adoma.
It's not the end of the world. It's okay. You have to go in and rest. Okay? It's okay.
What is wrong between the Igwe and the prince?
I don't know. I have no clue.
I'm suspecting that we will. You know he likes women a lot.
There is nothing in my face. So I don't know what you're talking about. I beg.
We are not exploring anything. She must be thrown inside the evil forest. We can decide to go with her and live there for all we care. We must follow the traditions of our forefathers. Although, we will not take this thing lightly like he's trying to persuade us.
You're right.
This is the tradition of our forefathers.